I got a truck here. I'm not gonna show you what he's doing, but I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video what we're doing. A little surprise. What are you doing?
We're trying to see what else we can do on this before we put the cab on there. Well,
Okay.
what else we can reseal?
At the sensors?
Yeah. Check valve, injector harness resealed.
Maybe just clean it, just so we see any future leaks or anything like that. Put this on. How's the cap swap going?
Not as easy as we thought, right?
I know, it's a lot more work. I want to talk about engine failure. You haven't seen this truck, have you?
I haven't seen it, no.
Yeah, so quick story. Literally just towed this in a couple days ago. Yesterday, probably. Yesterday, was it, right?
Yesterday.
Old D12. We had it running here locally, and everything was fine. It didn't seem like it was nothing was
already
going.
stripped down, man.
I think
messing around, right?
Somebody, yeah, because we needed it for the new truck. Also, I'll be a little secretive here. I got a info from one of my guys that he's got 50 trucks for sale coming. He wanted me to put a number for him.
What are they?
We should buy D13s, 15, 16s.
Okay, nice. Mileage?
600, 650, and go to eratrucksales.com. No, I'm kidding. But who knows? You never know. All right, so what happened here? Because we haven't looked at it. We're literally just looking at it right now, trying to figure out. That's our first blow up that was unknown.
Oh yeah.
I mean, not unexpected, mate, I guess.
You see the issue?
Yeah.
That's what, number 2? Yeah, so number 2 on there.
So what happened there? Can't really see from here. The block cracked and blew it out. This number 2 blew out.
Yeah, number 2.
The rod went through. Yeah.
Went off the block, yeah. Broke the ECM.
Is it broken? ECM broken?
ECM's broken, yeah.
Can you move that? Can you move that car that blew up? Can you get in there?
Yeah. Oh, it's about to fall down. Okay. Take it out right now. Oh, it's hooked up to the oil pressure sensor.
Oh yeah, yeah,
See it?
yeah. See it? Right there. Well,
this one had what's the mileage? Like 1.3. Oh, the cluster's already out.
no, the cluster's here, but I don't have a key. It's gonna be 1.3, 1.4. What would we start looking? How would we start looking at what was the issue? Because like obviously, you know, oil. First thing is oil, right?
Yeah, that'd be the first thing. I'm trying to see what.
And I already checked yesterday when in the evening before I was heading out. Everything is there's oil caps there. Everything's there.
So it's not like the wrist pin gave out or something.
And it probably still has oil. You want to check it? Unless, yeah, it still has oil. So see if I'm guessing right here. Remember how we had a couple at least blocks that just started cracking? I think this one was cracked, and it was even either hard to find, or we just said, you don't want to try to get it, yeah. Or I don't think it was. I don't know, because there were at least 2 that we saw that the blocks cracked.
The cracks were on the right side, right behind the oil filter housing, though.
On the other ones?
Yeah.
So maybe we just missed this one.
Possibly.
And
but I know we had 2, and they were leaking from the same spot. They had the crack in the.
Because he's got coolant. It's not like he lost it, and oil's there. So, what's your diagnosis?
We would have to check if it lost oil pressure.
Yeah. So we didn't hook it up. I don't think we will.
No. You might have anything on what's Samsara?
On Samsara, yeah. Maybe we could look it up, but it's Done.
CM's toast now. What's it gonna do?
I know,
What's it gonna show?
right? Well, it probably recorded whatever was happening before. So before the blowout, the code probably showed up, but now we have additional parts, and too bad. This is number 2 we lost
In 2 weeks.
within 2 weeks.
Within
Yeah.
2 weeks.
The other one was 1.6 million, almost 1.5 and a half, right?
Yeah. This is a
And
what, 9-speed or 10-speed?
that one is 10. So we'll reuse everything we can. We need the diffs. We have a lower D12.
Radiator's still good, obviously.
Yeah, and we have a lower D12 automatic that we're gonna reuse the.
Yeah, we have another one, right? One of the divs went out, so we had to swap out. No, actually, what happened is a bearing failure on there, so we had to replace the whole axle.
So we're gonna
Swap it over.
swap it over, and that's it. I wanted to kind of check it with you to see if we can figure out what happened, but so what do you think happened?
I remember you told me about it. You're like, oh, it was on flack. Oh, my engine gave out. I'm like, how does the guy know his engine gave out?
Yeah.
And sure enough, he popped it.
Yeah, he did send me the picture. I already knew. He wasn't that far. It wasn't bad, but what do you think happened?
I say oil. Loss of oil pressure. That's probably the number 1 failure on there.
Yeah.
The plug is still on there, so
That's not
like
that's not a
oil.
tech error, but definitely a good truck, and we used it for a very long time. So we're just gonna now start.
How many years did you get out of it?
I'm looking at the unit. At least 4.
4 years.
3 to 4 years.
And then you bought like
I bought a lot of them.
like
Yeah.
a lot of, like what, 20 of them?
16 those. Yeah, I mean, typical D12. No issues for.
We didn't do any engine work on them.
No.
At all. Honestly, out of all of our D12s, we haven't done any head replacements.
No. Water pumps, that's a typical problem.
Water pumps, air compressors going out.
But that's why
Injectors, we haven't replaced them.
that's why this oil engine blew up, because we didn't do the oil pump.
Possibly. I mean,
No, but it's with the remaining models that we have, we still have some for sale probably, but
at this point, is it worth putting the oil pump on there,
Yeah,
doing main and rod
exactly.
bearings? Not really.
but definitely bulletproof engine. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.
Got headlights on that corner.
Look at this. Isn't that awesome?
Nice, right?
Nice. And that's our surprise. Go to unitedbydiesel.com and you can get a hat like ours. We ordered extra, so if you guys like them, there's 2 styles, flat bill and this. So go to unitedbydiesel.com, and that's going to support our channel. So appreciate you guys, and I'm gonna go look at my cool neon right now.